Rapid fire with Dr. Vidushi. Okay, very interesting question. First of all, microwave cause cancer, myth or a fact?
So it's a myth. There is no scientific evidence that microwaving can cause cancer. However, whenever we are microwaving, always make sure that you're using a microwave safe container.
Okay, so it's a complete myth. It's actually a very, I mean, it's a blessing for all the working women, I think, because उसके बिना काम नहीं चलता हमारा.
Indeed, it is.
Okay. Another question, if you walked into an average Indian home, what are the first 3 habits जो आपको लगता है could be cancer causing और इनको कम करने से या इनको हटाने से cancer risk हमारा कम हो जाएगा?
So one is the exposures, which are cancer-causing exposures. These
Okay.
include tobacco, smoking, and alcohol.
Okay.
Number 2 would be overall health promotion, getting more active,
Okay.
maintaining a good BMI.
Okay.
And number 3 is getting yourself regularly screened.
Okay. 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 Fair enough. Yes. What is the one symptom people keep ignoring because they think it's normal?
So the one symptom that people keep ignoring is the decline in their health.
Okay.
Especially if that comes with aging. They assume it's a normal sign of aging. ऐसे तो हो ही जाता है उम्र बढ़ने के साथ.
हाँ.
So that is one thing we should be cognizant of.
Okay. Okay. Does sugar actually feed cancer, or we have somewhere misunderstood the science?
So ये बहुत बड़ा मिथ है. शुगर के इंटेक से डायरेक्टली कोई एविडेंस नहीं है कैंसर होने का.
Okay.
और ना ही शुगर कट कर देने से. बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स हमारे पास आते हैं कि हम तो शुगर दे ही नहीं रहे हैं और बिल्कुल वी हैव स्टॉप्ड टेकिंग शुगर ऑल टुगेदर. सो दैट विल नॉट स्टॉप द कैंसरस प्रोसेस. कैंसर सेल्स के नॉट सेलेक्टिवली बी टेकिंग शुगर और आप उनको कट डाउन नहीं कर सकते हो.
So it's a myth. Okay, nice to know that. One health test every healthy person thinks that they don't need, but actually they should consider.
So this would depend on their age and gender. For women, it would be a mammogram.
Okay.
At an age appropriate time and a pap smear.
Okay.
For men, especially for smokers, it would be a low dose CT scan of the chest.
Okay.
And prostate screening antigen.
Okay. Tea, coffee, alcohol, stress, or poor sleep. Which worries you most for the long-term health?
So here you've not included tobacco and smoking. That is my number one concern.
Okay.
Otherwise, out of this, alcohol is another. There's no lower limit of alcohol intake which would not be associated with cancer.
Okay.
Tea, coffee as such, they have not been associated with cancer. So again, sort of a myth kind of area. Every day some new research comes, not only for cancer, but one day research comes कि coffee आज अच्छी है, अगले दिन आता है coffee आज अच्छी नहीं है.
Correct.
So I think excess of everything is bad, but these are the main ones.
Okay. So stress?
Stress indirectly, yes, it decreases your immunity, it decreases your ability to fight any disease, and so is true for cancer.
Okay. Okay. What's more dangerous, family history or everyday lifestyle for cancer?
Everyday lifestyle.
Okay.
So when we talk about family history, around 5 to 10% patients would have hereditary cancers in general.
Okay.
They would have a family history. Majority of the cancers are acquired,
Okay.
and this would be the result of everyday lifestyle.
Okay. One food या कोई supplement या wellness trend जो Indians को लगता है कि कैंसर से बचा सकता है, but actually में ऐसा सच नहीं है.
तो ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, जैसे शुगर का एक मिथ है कि शुगर कट डाउन पूरी तरह से कर देंगे तो कैंसर से बचा सकता है. ये पूरी तरह से सच नहीं है, ऑल्दो शुगर लिमिट में ही लेना चाहिए.
ठीक है.
उसके अलावा हर्बल सप्लीमेंट्स, हमारे आयुर्वेदिक इलाज, जो घरेलू नुस्खे हैं, दे आर गुड फॉर हेल्थ, बट कैंसर से पूरी तरह से बचाव नहीं हो सकता उनसे.
ठीक है. One thing every Indian women should start doing after 30 for cancer prevention.
So screening शुरू कर देना चाहिए.
ठीक है.
This screening exists for the main cancers in women include breast cancer. So a mammogram is usually we advise after the age of 40, but self breast examination जिसमें एक स्त्री अपने breast को खुद ही चेक कर सकते हैं clinical examination के through, अपने आप ही चेक कर सकते हैं. That should start. इसके अलावा पैप स्मीयर है, that should start at the age of 21. And पैप स्मीयर with an HPV DNA testing. वो 30 years में स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं.
लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस या कुछ इनकॉर्पोरेशंस जो करना चाहिए कि वो डेली रूटीन में कर रहे हैं so that they can prevent cancer.
So number one is being aware of the cancer symptoms.
Okay.
Number two is not brushing your symptoms under the carpet, which women do invariably. My kid has an exam, so I'll do it later.
हाँ जी.
I have a wedding coming up in the family. We have heard all sort of excuses.
हाँ जी.
So that is one thing that women can do. Be more aware of the symptoms. Be in regular touch with your doctor, especially your gynecologist, where you can discuss and do your screenings appropriately.
ओके, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन एंड आई थिंक बहुत लोग ये जानना चाहते हैं एंड मैं भी जानना चाहती हूँ. प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स, नॉन स्टिक पैन्स, एयर पोल्यूशन और प्रोसेस्ड फूड, ये सब चीज़ों से कितना कैंसर होता है? और मतलब जो इतनी इंफॉर्मेशन है, यू नो, प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स में पानी मत पियो, कैंसर हो जाएगा, या ये वाले बर्तन मत यूज करो, इनसे कैंसर हो जाएगा, कितना सच है, क्या मिथ है, क्या फैक्ट्स हैं, साइंस क्या बोलता है?
So number one इसमें exposure जो रहेगा वो air pollution, because see the AQI being dismal, this is the harsh reality of especially the urban cities, that is affecting everybody's health.
Of course.
It does not matter if you are a smoker, अगर आप smoker हैं, आप non smoker हैं, you're getting exposed. और हम देख रहे हैं कि लंग कैंसर के केसेस और कैंसर के केसेस नॉन स्मोकर्स में भी बढ़ते जा रहे हैं इसकी वजह से, जो कि हम ट्रेडिशनली सिगरेट स्मोकिंग से एसोसिएट करते थे. सो बिकॉज इट इज अ मास एक्सपोजर, नंबर वन एज अ कैंसर डॉक्टर कम्युनिटी के लिए नंबर वन वुड बी एयर पोल्यूशन फॉर श्योर. हाउएवर ऑल द एक्सपोजर्स, like if you talk about plastics and microplastics, cookware be, if it is chipped, if the coating is gone, so it has been shown to have some cumulative effect over the years. You will find definitely have some chemicals are leaching into your food, leaching into your diet, and they are affecting.
Okay. So this is not purely a myth that plastic bottles usage cause cancer.
So as of now, we don't have a very robust evidence. However, microplastics definitely leach into your food. That evidence is there, and they have been known to cause association with a numerous number of diseases.
So doctor, इनके substitute क्या हो सकते हैं? What are the cleaner options? Like if I wanted to not use plastic bottles, तो मेरे लिए क्या options available हैं? या you know what kind of?
So we have all the traditional vessels that Indians have been using. You can use steel, you can use other metals.
Okay. वो सब safe है.
Yeah.
Okay. One thing you have personally stopped, you know, after becoming an oncologist.
So after becoming an oncologist, health-wise, I think I have always been following the standard guideline. The biggest shift is mental shift.
Okay.
So I would not take my health for granted for sure.
Okay.
And yeah, each day is a blessing that I'm saying I've seen people you know, suffer, and then you realize that how vulnerable life is, and you don't value your life enough. So that is the biggest, and also that, you know, damage control mindset, that you can always, you know, get to the problem, get to the root of it, and you can be more proactive and solve it. So that is the biggest shift.
Okay. Another very interesting question, और मुझे लगता है ये भी बहुत सारे लोग जानना चाहेंगे कि जो ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स है, you know, does that cause cancer? It's a myth, fact. कितनी सच्चाई है इन चीजों में?
So कोई भी केमिकल जो कैंसर कर सकता है उसको कार्सिनोजेन कहते हैं. So whenever you are you know, in a big brand and certified brand, they would always have the screening and quality checks.
Yeah.
So it is not going to have those carcinogens. That's a mandate. But unregulated beauty products जिसपे कोई label नहीं है, जिसमें हमें पता नहीं क्या है, for that matter, not only beauty products, all products.
Okay.
They can contain harmful chemicals, and they can definitely cause cancer.
So reading labels और उनको ingredients पढ़ना वो जरूरी है. और जितने बड़े brands हैं, I mean वहाँ पे surety है कि उनके products इतने damaging नहीं होंगे.
So the quality QC is there, quality control is there, and it should be up to the authorities also to ensure that, you know, those things are in proper checks.
Okay. Is immunity linked to cancer? And अगर हमारी strong immunity है तो क्या कैंसर से बचा जा सकता है?
So immunity is definitely linked to cancer. If you have a strong immune system, it will take care of, you know, the cancer from originating and spreading.
Okay.
So we have innate mechanisms in our body. Whenever there is an abnormal cell, कोई भी अगर abnormal cell आ गया है जो कि cancerous भी हो सकता है, तो immune system उसको filter out कर देना चाहिए.
ठीक है.
लेकिन sometimes it is not able to. And people with weaker immunities, populations which are immunocompromised, जैसे HIV हो गया, या for some reason they are taking immunosuppressions,
Okay.
for any reason the immune system, they will have more ये देखा गया है कि उसमें ज्यादा मैलिग्नेंसीज पाई गई है, ज्यादा कैंसर की इंसिडेंस पाई गई है. ना सिर्फ ये, इम्यूनोथेरेपी इज अनदर थेरेपी इन विच इस चीज को हम यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं, इस प्रॉपर्टी को, कि हम अपने ही इम्यून सिस्टम को यूज करें, अपने इम्यून सिस्टम को स्ट्रॉन्ग करें और उसको कैंसर की तरफ, कैंसर किल करने की तरफ डायरेक्ट करें.
ठीक है. Okay. One dangerous habit that cause cancer, and almost every Indian is doing that, other than the smoking and alcohol.
Ignoring their symptoms,
Okay.
not being regular with screenings,
Okay.
not going to the doctor.
Okay. Okay. If you have to pick one, what is the single biggest cause of preventable cancer today?
Smoking and tobacco.
Smoking. Okay. Another very interesting question. Like, there are many people I know, they have never touched, cigarettes, they have never touched alcohol, and they have cancer. But there are people who are smoking, who are enjoying life, drinking alcohol, और उनको कुछ नहीं होता. तो
So relative risk बढ़ जाता है.
Okay.
So I give a very this example to a lot of my patients also, कि आप अपनी बाइक ठीक से चला रहे हो, जरूरी नहीं है कि आपका एक्सीडेंट ना हो.
Correct.
और आप अपनी बाइक बहुत खराब तरीके से चला रहे हो, डेंजरसली चला रहे हो सकता है तब भी आप बच जाओ. बट चांसेस क्या हैं? डेंजरसली चलाओगे, देयर इज मोर चांस दैट यू विल मीट एन एक्सीडेंट. सिमिलरली इफ यू आर प्लेइंग इट सेफ, यू विल बी सेफ.
Okay.
इट इज नॉट एब्सोल्यूट, लेकिन रिलेटिव रिस्क 4 से 5 गुना तक बढ़ जाता है. इनफैक्ट जो प्रिवेंटेबल कैंसर के कॉजेज हैं, जो हम प्रिवेंशन कर सकते हैं, मॉडिफाइबल फैक्टर्स हैं, उससे हम 60 to 70% तक कैंसर के रिस्क को कम कर सकते हैं.
In one sentence, आजकल क्या एक सबसे बड़ा misconception है about cancer?
That cancer is a death sentence. This misconception I see every day in my clinic. पहली बात, denial. Patient will come, अपनी बायोप्सी खुद लेके आएगा, अपना स्कैन खुद लेके आएगा, ऑलरेडी उनके पास एविडेंस है, पर नहीं, ये कैंसर हमें नहीं है. फर्स्ट थिंग इज डिनाइल. सेकेंड थिंग इज कि अब हो गया, जब एक्सेप्टेंस आ गया कि है कैंसर, तो अब तो गए काम से, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, अब ये तो डेथ सेंटेंस है.
पर ऐसा नहीं है.
ऐसा नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है.
It is treatable.
It is treatable at a lot of stages. It is curable also, and it is always controllable.